Hi fashion designer, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to embroider using your normal sewing machine. You don't have to go and buy an expensive machine for this. You can use something that you already have. So if you want to know how this is done, stay tuned and don't forget to give this tutorial a good thumbs up. Now the first step is, of course, we need a wooden hoop. This is the one that I suggest, and mine is 6-inch. And then you're going to need a cotton fabric. I'm going to place the cotton fabric on top and then place the ring right on the center. When you do this, to know that it is tight, it has to make a drum sound. So if it's not tight, you can go ahead and tighten up the screw. For step 2, you will need a embroidery foot, and this is how it looks. So it is very easy to attach it on your sewing machine depending how your machine is built, but mine you just have to screw it in like so. For step 3, you have to go ahead now and remove the case of your machine, and you want to lower the feeding foot. So I am going to open up this case, and there is a pin right on the inside. You want to move it towards your right side, and this you can see that the foot has been lowered like so, and it will be easy for you to do a free motion embroidery. Step 4, we're going to be using 2 stitches, a straight stitch and also a zigzag stitch. I went ahead and I turned my stitch into zigzag, and of course I wrote the word love and I'm going to embroider on top of that word. So this is how it turned out. Now we want to see if this can also work on a cursive writing. So once you're done, this is how it looks. Love and you. So we want to go ahead now. I went ahead and I drew a leaf, and I want to see if you want to go ahead and draw a leaf. Is it possible? So I'm first going to first embroider a straight line, and then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and just feed in, just to fill the leaf in with a zigzag stitch. And there we go. This is the final result. I really love this embroidery stitches. You can use this on your favorite t-shirts that you have or your pillows. So I hope you will enjoy making this project as much as I did. See you on the next one.